Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to break down Handshake AI and show you whether it's a legit way to earn money training AI models or just another sketchy side hustle to avoid. Quick disclaimer before we start, this video is for educational and awareness purposes only. It's not financial advice, not legal advice, and it's not a guarantee that you'll get accepted or hired. Handshake AI is a newer program for the same company behind the student job platform Handshake. Instead of regular internships, the branch recruits master's and PhD students or people with deep subject expertise to help train large language models. The idea is simple. Use your knowledge to review and improve AI outputs in your field, and you get paid hourly for that work. According to their own materials and fellow reports, products are usually short term, anywhere from a couple weeks to a few months, with flexible hours you could do alongside your studies or job. People mention pay ranges that can go from decent to very good for specialized topics, with rates posted upfront so you know what you're getting before you start. The catch is more about the company behind it. Regular Handshake, the job platform, has some worrying reviews on sites like Trustpilot. Users report billing issues, surprise charges, and slow or unhelpful customer support when things go wrong. That history doesn't automatically make the AI program a scam, but it's something you should keep in mind. On the AI side, people who've actually worked in the fellowship or expert roles generally describe it as real structured work. You do tasks, log hours, and get paid through established contractor platforms like Deel. Quality standards are strict. If you submit AI generated work instead of your own judgment, you can lose payment for that batch. Also, anything you create or label becomes the company's IP, which is standard for this type of work, but also important to understand. So here's my take. Handshake AI looks like a legitimate opportunity for qualified students and subject experts, but it's not a guaranteed easy money side hustle. Expect real work, strict quality checks, and make sure to read every contract very carefully. Because the parent company has a shaky track record with billing complaints, you should also protect yourself. Track hours, save copies of your agreements, and set up alerts on your payment method. If you like this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to Howard's How To's for more simple tutorials just like this.